Hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to promote products on JVZoo. If this is your first time to the channel, I'm Mike from mikelucasonline.com. I'd appreciate it if you like and comment, and if you find this video helpful and like to see more like it, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep yourself updated for future videos. And I've dropped a link in the description below to a simple step-by-step blueprint that I'm using to take my affiliate marketing to the next level. So with that said, let's jump into my computer. I'm going to show you how to promote products with JVZoo. Hi guys, here we are inside my computer. I hope you don't mind me using Google Slides just to refresh my memory. So we're going to talk about how to promote JVZoo products, and as you can see from this first slide that I've got 6 steps. Obviously you need a JV account, a website, talk more about that in a moment, a landing page, AR, autoresponder, traffic free recommended, or you could go for paid, and a good product to promote. And under there I'll put not health, wealth or relationships. Most other people would tell you to target those three niches because they are popular, they're evergreen, but they're also very competitive. And if you're just starting out, that's the last thing you want, is to be in a competitive niche. So find a niche that is not so competitive. Okay, right, so we need to start with a JV account. So let's go here first, and this is the home page that you'll land on when you type jvzoo.com. And on this page you can look at the marketplace. So if we click on that, it will bring up a list of products. So if we go over here, categories, and there's the categories that the products are under. But it really is more beneficial to sign up for a free account. So we just come over here, sign up for a free account. I'm not going to go through the sign up process. It's fairly straightforward: name, email, etc., where you domicile, and off you go. And from there you can then access the affiliate section of JVZoo. Okay, and you can, we'll just come down here: sellers dashboard, sales funnels, etc., products, marketplace. You know, you got your account, everything you need is on here. But this is the first page you will see, and it's got listed most popular products, and as you'll see, some of these are 5 years old. So what do? Well, you can look at the stats, how many they've sold: 115,000 units through the funnel that Peter has sold there. And more importantly, you want to look at the conversions, 8.1, and where are we, the refund rate. This is the important one, and preferably under 5%. Now if you look at this, and this isn't a tutorial in how to use JVZoo, this is a tutorial of how you need to promote products. But quickly, while we're here, a refund rate of under 5% really is a nice figure to aim for. And as you can see here, they've got 5.4. now that would be for the front end. This here is for the whole funnel. Okay, as it says there, you can see all the OTOs listed there. So if we come down here, you know, this one's got 6% refund, but it's the second most popular. But you know, if you, as an affiliate, you're promoting that, you know, you've got a good chance of a visitor refunding. So that's JVZoo. Come here and register. As I say, this isn't a tutorial on JVZoo, but you can start going through and having a look at the site. One other thing you should be aware of with JVZoo is that you need to request approval to promote products. So if you click on Peter Rozak's product here and you go through to another page where, well, I've got to log in, I'm not going to log in, you have to, request, Peter, can I sell your product? And this can be a little bit of a stumbling block because most vendors prefer people with a proven list. And if you're beginning, you probably haven't got a proven list. So, you're probably better starting off on ClickBank. And I will leave a link to my video about ClickBank just up the top here somewhere. So, okay, that's the JVZoo platform. So, what do you need to promote products? Well, if we've just gone over a JVZoo account, so open up a free account there, and this is the number 2 step, is where most affiliates don't go that extra mile and purchase their own domain name and have their own website. And as I've got there, I recommend it. This is your own real estate online, and this is mine, and this is my landing page. It's my domain name, my landing page. I'm in control of this, and if I promote a product anywhere, I don't get any knockbacks from other platforms like AdWords or Facebook that don't like affiliates direct linking to a product. And that's what is taught mostly is with affiliate marketing, is that you link direct from your traffic source to the vendor's product. Not a good idea. Put a website in between so that you can capture people's or your visitors' email address. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So definitely a website, and a website landing page, the same thing. Okay, and that is my landing page. And a landing page is somewhere where you direct your visitors with your traffic, product you're promoting. And if you notice on this landing page, apart from down the bottom here, which is required links, contact, privacy policy, etc., there's nothing else for a visitor to do here other than sign up for my information or leave. Okay, and that's what a landing page is all about. You don't give people too many choices, paralysis of analysis. So they come here, your visitors, the traffic you send here, they either sign up or they leave. Simple as that. Okay, so that's your landing page. Then what you need is an AR, an autoresponder, somewhere where you can store your email addresses. Again, once they fill the email field in, they go to your autoresponder. You're building your list, belongs to you, no one else. Okay, and that is, let me go back, that's your landing page. Fill their email address in. That is stored in your autoresponder. It is your list. You can then contact that visitor again to promote other offers to them, or in my case, send further valuable information to them. So the next step 5, traffic. I've got there free, recommended or paid. As I said earlier, if you went down the paid route of generating traffic, you potentially can hit one or two issues if you're using Google ads or you're using Facebook ads, because neither of those two platforms like you linking direct to a product. So you need a landing page in between. Okay, they're happy with that if you're sending your visitors here, and then redirect your visitors to your offer once they've signed up for your email list. And this is the one that I'm doing, free traffic, and this is I'm following a blueprint, a training that I'm actually taking myself, and it's Simple Traffic Blueprint, and it's all about building your presence on YouTube. You have your own YouTube channel, you build it out and drive free recurring traffic is the aim to your offers. Okay, hope that makes sense. And then the last step, of course, is a good product to promote. And I've put a little note under there, not health, wealth, or relationships. Up to you. You can go down that route if you like. But if you're beginning, you're in the health, the wealth, or the relationship niches, they are really, really competitive. And as a newbie, you could really struggle making your mark within those niches. So I would recommend you to find a niche that isn't so competitive. So basically, that's what you need to promote JVZoo products. Number one, JVZoo account. Number two, recommended website / landing page. Then you build your list with an autoresponder, preferably with free traffic, can do paid, and then you need a good product to promote. And I'm promoting the Simple Traffic Blueprint, which, as I say, it teaches you how you can build out a YouTube channel for the longer term. This isn't a quick fix. This is not a point and click like most gurus will have you believe. This is work. Okay. But once you get momentum, you're driving traffic from videos that you made 12 months previous, and that is the crux of it, is that it's a long-term business. So I hope this video has been useful to you. If it has, then subscribe to reveal the notification bell. Hit the bell, keep updated for future videos that I'll be uploading, and check out my other videos at the end of this one. And this is Mike from mikelucasonline.com. Thanks for taking the time to watch your video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.